Hey there! It's another great day to learn with Emnet. Are you a storyteller or content creator who makes African folktales, jungle adventures, 3D animations, or fun animal stories like Yellow Chicks? If so, this tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you how to easily come up with fresh story ideas and turn them into short, engaging animated videos, even if you're out of inspiration. You don't want to miss this because I'll be sharing some really helpful tips. So let's dive in.
Part 1. How to get story ideas from images. You can always come up with story ideas on your own, or use the method I'm about to show you. Let's say you're out of ideas, but then you come across an inspiring image, maybe a picture or even a YouTube thumbnail. You're not sure what story to create from it. First, download the image. If it's a thumbnail, extract it. I've already made a video on how to do that. Check it out later. Now go to ChatGPT, click the plus icon, upload the image, and ask it to generate story ideas based on the image. Here are some of the story ideas ChatGPT gave me. I picked idea number 2 and asked it to turn it into a short 1-minute story just for this tutorial. And here it is. Part 2. Characters and prompts. Next, I asked ChatGPT to list the characters and describe them. It did that too. Then, I asked it to write text-to-image prompts for each scene, including character descriptions to help keep everything consistent. ChatGPT said we'd need about 6 to 8 image prompts, which matched my own estimate. So I asked it to generate 8 image prompts and also include matching text-to-video prompts. Part 3. Voiceover setup. Then I told ChatGPT to format the script for voiceover, with narrator lines, character actions, and tone suggestions. After that, I went to Google AI Studio. I pasted the script, selected a voice, and hit run.
And that is how a duckling found a dragon and reminded us all that bravery has no size.
The voiceover is ready. By the way, I've made a full tutorial on using tags with Google AI Studio. Feel free to check it out. Part 4. Generating images. Now it's time to create our story images. You can use any platform you like, but for this tutorial, I'll be using Google Image FX. It's great for consistency because it lets you lock the image seed. Just search Google Image FX, sign in with your Google account, and you're good to go. I pasted in the first prompt from ChatGPT, and here's the image it generated. There's an old owl in the scene, not the main character, more like a narrator or side character. Next, I pasted the main character's prompt, and wow, the image came out great. Before generating the next one, I locked the seed to keep the character consistent. I'm using a 3D animated style, which is perfect for storytelling and storyboards. Always remember to include character descriptions in every prompt. That's how you maintain visual consistency. Now check this out. The second image matches the first perfectly. That's the power of seed locking. Uh-oh, this egg looks different from the last one. What happened? I forgot to include the egg's description in the prompt. Even with the locked seed, if the description isn't there, things can still change. So I added the correct description and regenerated the image. And there we go. Now it's right. Animating the images. Now it's time to animate. You can use any platform you prefer, but I'll stick with Google AI Studio for this part. Go to the video generator, upload your image, paste in your text-to-video prompt, and hit run. Let's wait. Done. The animation looks awesome. Let's try another one. And it works perfectly too. Using Digen AI for start and end frame animation. Here's something more advanced. I'm using Digen AI, which lets you animate between 2 frames. Search Digen AI, sign in with your Google account, and you'll get free credits to start. Click Create, upload your first image, in this case an egg about to crack. Other platforms didn't show the cracking process well, so I switched to Digen. Now add your second frame, the cracked egg, paste in the prompt, and hit Generate. Let's wait a moment, and yes, the animation is working. You can also try Kling AI, but their 2-frame animation is only for pro users. Final editing. Now, let's put it all together. I brought everything into my editing app. For the egg scene, I combined the Digen animation with the Google AI Studio version. One showed the cracking, the other showed the egg opening to reveal a baby dragon. I trimmed the clips, added a nice transition, and came up with this final result.
In a quiet forest where the trees whispered secrets and the wind sang lullabies, a tiny duckling lived with her brothers and sisters. She was the smallest of them all, but her heart was the biggest. One sunny morning, Mama Duck called, "Time for a swim," and all the ducklings followed, except one. Our little duckling stayed behind, her eyes fixed on a strange glowing egg lying near the bushes. She waddled closer. What kind of egg is this? She wondered. Just as she reached it, a hiss slithered through the grass. A long, shiny snake appeared, his tongue flicking in and out. "Leave that egg, little one," the snake hissed. "It belongs to the forest, not to you." But the duckling stood her ground, her tiny wings fluffed up. "No," she chirped bravely. "It's all alone. I'll protect it." The snake slithered closer, circling around the egg. The duckling didn't budge. Suddenly, crack! Egg began to hatch. Out came a tiny dragon with shimmering blue scales and eyes that glowed like stars. The snake froze. The baby dragon blinked, looked at the duckling, and smiled. "Mama?" it squeaked. The duckling laughed. "No, silly, but I'll take care of you." And from that day on, the dragon and the duckling became the best of friends. All because of one small act of courage. And that is how a duckling found a dragon and reminded us all that bravery has no size.
It took a bit of effort, but it was so worth it. Even if you're using free tools, your creativity is your best tool.
Now you know how to get story ideas when you're stuck, how to generate images and animations, how to use 2-frame animation tools like Digen AI, and how to keep your visuals consistent using character descriptions. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe to join our creative community. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.